Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you unlock new streams of income. Today, we'll plunge into the fascinating world of Google Maps. Yes, indeed, the application that many of us rely on for directions can also become a potent tool for income generation. So, hang on tight as we navigate you through the ingenious ways of leveraging Google Maps to amplify your earnings. First on our list is local business optimization. Google Maps isn't merely a compass, it's a portal for businesses to connect with potential customers. If you're a business owner, taking hold of and optimizing your Google My Business profile becomes indispensable. Include precise information, top-notch images, and stimulate customers to leave positive reviews. This will elevate your visibility, magnetize more foot traffic, and potentially increase sales. Following up, we'll delve into how freelancers and gig economy workers can turn Google Maps to their advantage. Are you a photographer, a handyman, or do you offer some other service? Listing yourself on Google Maps can be a game changer. Prospective clients frequently resort to Maps to find local services. Ensure that your profile flaunts your skills, portfolio, and contact information, giving you a competitive edge. Our next stop is location-based marketing. Businesses can target potential customers in specific geographical areas through advertisements on Google Maps. By strategically placing ads on Maps, you're able to reach audiences at the moment they're seeking products or services near your location. It's a cost-effective strategy to target a highly relevant audience. Now for our tech enthusiasts, Google Maps provides APIs or application programming interfaces that developers can deploy to craft innovative applications. Whether you're creating an app for navigation, augmented reality experiences, or location-based games, integrating Google Maps can make your app more functional and appealing to users. Opportunities for monetization emerge through app downloads, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. To sum it up, Google Maps isn't just a tool for navigation. It's a treasure trove for opportunities to earn money. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, a marketer, or a developer, there are numerous ways to tap into its potential. Stick around for more tips and strategies to maximize your earnings. And remember, don't forget to hit that like button, share our content, and subscribe for more insightful information on leveraging technology for financial success. Thanks for tuning in.